Oh, okay. Today I will discuss again the mode of the group data. The mode of the group data. Clear? Response. Mode of the group data. First, what is the formula?
Yes, sir.
What is the formula of the mode? The formula of the mode is L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 bracket close into H. What is the explanation of the formula? Tell me the explanation of the formula. Anyone? Achal, tell me the explanation of the formula. Response. Quick.
Lower
Sir, L is
limit.
L for the limit. Sir, L is stand for the lower limit of the class, and F1 is the frequency of the preceding class, and F0 is the frequency of the model class, and F2 stands for succeeding class. Succeeding frequency.
Hey, Achal, wait. One by one. First is number one. First is L. What is L? Lower boundary of the modal class. Clear? Lower boundary of the modal class. What is L? L means, what is L? L means lower boundary of the modal class.
Model class.
क्लियर? मोड क्लास नहीं, मॉडल, MODL, मॉडल को हम मोड मतलब मोड क्लास नहीं बोलते, मॉडल क्लास बोलते हैं. क्लियर? यस और नो? Response. Second is
Yes, sir.
what is F1? What is F1? Exactly. What is F1? F1 means frequency of modal class. Clear? Yes or no? Response.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next is F0. F0 या F0 जो भी एक F0.
Yes, sir.
F0. What is F0 or what is F0? That is the exactly frequency of the pre-modal class. Frequency of the pre-modal class. F0 or F0 means frequency of the pre-modal class. Clear? And the last one is F2. What is F2? What is F2? Exactly. Frequency.
Sir, frequency of the succeeding class.
Frequency of the post-modal class. Right? And the last one is H. H means height, or actually it belongs to interval. Interval of the modal class. Interval. Class interval. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The formula will clear. Formula is clear. Yes or no? देखो L, the frequency of the lower boundary. Sorry, frequency of the modal class. Sorry. Lower boundary of the modal class. And the F1 means frequency of the modal class. F0 means the frequency of the pre-modal class. And the F2 means frequency of the post-modal class. And H means height. Clear? Class or class interval. Clear? The explanation of the formula is clear. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now.
Yes, sir.
Can I erase it? The explanation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Achal, Avantika, clear? Yes or no? Tell me. Properly.
Yes,
sir.
Okay. Then first to identify what is L, what is F1, what is F0, what is F2. First the identify those are the elements. Then we have to convert it into formula mode. Okay. First L. How we choose the modal class? How we choose the modal class? Exactly. Those are the class which is belongs to the highest frequency. We are choosing unimodal and also we are choosing कभी-कभी हम क्या चूज करते हैं बाइमोडल भी चूज करते हैं, राइट? यस और नो? बट वी आर अकॉर्डिंग टू गिवन डेटा, there is a no bimodal class. Only the data belongs to what? The data belongs to only what? Unimodal class. What is the unimodal class? What is the modal class? We have to choose the modal class. That means which class belongs to highest frequency. Which class belongs to highest frequency? जिस क्लास में सबसे ज्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी होगा वही हमारा मॉडल क्लास होगा. Clear? Yes or no? Response.
Yes, sir.
According to given data,
sir.
according to given data, the fourth class, that is 30 to 40, the class boundary and the frequency of the 30 exactly. So L equals to 30, right? Yes or no? 30 to 40, the lower bound, the class.
Yes, sir.
30 to 40. So the lower boundary of the modal class is 30. Yes or no? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, F1, frequency of the modal class. What is the frequency of the modal class? Frequency kya hai? Frequency is
30.
also 30. Exactly. So F1 equals to 30. Okay. Next, F0. What is the frequency of the pre-modal class? That is 15 according to given data. That is 15. Yes or no? Aparna, clear ho raha hai? Response. Aparna, Avantika, Achal.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what is the F2? F2 equals to what? What is the frequency of the post-modal class? Modal class के ठीक नीचे देखो, post-modal है. क्या है? Frequency क्या है? Response, Achal. What is the frequency of the post-modal class according to given data? Tell me. It's 20. Just go for the data. It's 20. Clear? Yes or no? Response.
Yes.
Aparna, Avantika. And the interval.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
H. What is H?
Thir-
H is
10.
what?
10.
10. Very good.
Sir, H is 10.
H is 10. Okay. Now we just put the formula. First, L plus
L plus
F1 minus
F1
F0
minus
divided
F0.
2F1 minus F0 minus
F1
F2 into H.
F2
Clear?
H.
So what is the L? L equals to 30.
Yes, sir.
Plus F1 again 30. 30 minus F0 15.
15.
2 into 30, right? Minus 15 minus
15.
20.
20.
Into 10. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next step. 30 plus 30 minus 15.
15.
15. 2
15.
into 30, that is 60.
60.
Minus 15 minus 20. Bracket close into 10. Next step. 30 plus 15 divided
60 minus 30.
60 minus 15. What?
35. 35.
60 minus 15.
Sir, 35.
60. Okay. What? अगर तुम जो मतलब इसको एक साथ भी कर सकते हो, अलग अलग स्टेप बाय स्टेप. 60 minus 15.
Sir, 60 minus 35.
45 minus 20 divided. Okay, 10. Yes. Next step. Again, 30 plus 15 divided 25 into 10. Right? Next step. 30 plus what? 3 by 5 into 10. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the next one is, अच्छा उसको मैं रिपीट करता हूँ. 30 plus 3 by 5 into 10. then 30 plus 0.6 into 10, then 30 plus 6 equals to 36. This is a total breakup. You can skip the 1 or 2 step from the lower portion. तुम चाहो तो एक दो लोअर पोर्शन में कर सकते हो, डायरेक्टली इसको 45 को मतलब 60 माइनस 35 भी कर सकते थे, ठीक है, लेकिन मैंने उसमें ब्रेक किया. बट द आंसर इज वो करेक्ट होना चाहिए तुम्हारा. तुम इसमें भी करेक्शन कर सकते हो. 3/5 डायरेक्टली डिवाइडेड 3/5, 5 multiplied by 2 and it's called 6. Clear? Yes or no? The answer is 36.
Yes, sir.
Clear? This is your mode.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Any
Yes,
any
sir.
question, any problem? Tell me.